You shot hours of incredible footage on your last trip, but it's still sitting on your SD card, unedited and unseen. But what if your camera's app could analyze all that footage, find the best moments, and edit a stunning video for you? Today, I'm going to show you a brand new AI feature from Insta360 that does just that. This could be the end of your editing headaches. Hey everyone, Saab here from the Tech Packer, helping you upgrade your tech and travel gear and experience. Let's be honest, the best part of owning an Insta360 camera is the creative freedom of shooting in 360. But the worst part, it's the editing. Sifting through hours of footage to find the best part is overwhelming. And it's the #1 reason amazing videos never get made. Drop me a comment below if editing your 360 footage has become a major roadblock for you, because I've been there with you. And now I've learned so much I want to share with you. Just let me know how much of a pain point this has been for you so I can help you solve this problem through 2026 and beyond. Now, Insta360 knows how much of a pain point this can be too, and they've just released their most powerful solution yet. It's a new AI-powered feature called Moments, part of their Insta360 Plus cloud service. Today we're going to do a deep dive on how it works, how it's different from the old auto edit, still there, the other game-changing cloud features it unlocks, and how it can finally free your footage from your SD card. We've all felt it. You get back from an amazing trip buzzing with excitement, you offload your SD card and you're staring at gigabytes, maybe even terabytes of 360 footage. It's a digital mountain. And the task of climbing that mountain, of watching it all, finding the perfect moments, reframing them, and structuring a story, it just feels daunting. It feels like work. So you put it off for a day, then a week, and soon your best memories are just sitting in a digital shoebox on a hard drive, trapped and forgotten. I call this footage paralysis. And it's a huge creative bottleneck for so many of us. Now, you may be thinking, doesn't Insta360 already have an auto edit feature? And you're right, it does. But it's crucial to understand that Moments is a completely different tool with a different philosophy. Auto edit is an in-app tool where you are the director. You select the clips that you already know are good, and the app quickly edits them together with music and transitions. It's fast and convenient when you have a clear intention for what you want to create. Insta360 Plus Moments is your personal automated editor that works in the cloud. You do nothing. It's a tool for discovery. It automatically analyzes your clips that you've synced, finds what its AI thinks are the standout highlights, even from clips you shot months back ago, and then surprises you with delivering a polished, ready-to-watch video without you lifting a finger. It's designed to help you rediscover great footage that you would have otherwise forgotten. So that's how Moments is an automated personal editor. So let's move on to how you feed the AI to make it work. But if these tips are helpful for you, you want to make sure you don't miss out on my future tips for your Insta360 cameras and more travel tech. So be sure to subscribe now. And there are lots and lots more tips on my channel if you want to take a look around. Okay, how do you get this AI magic to work? It's a simple setup process, but you need to give the AI the right ingredients. First, you need to make sure your Insta360 app is updated to version 2.15.2 or higher. Second, you need to sync your footage to the Insta360 Plus cloud album. This is a key step. This feature only works with 360 footage, the INSV files, not pre-framed flat video. You'll need an Insta360 Cloud Plus subscription for the cloud storage, but we'll get onto the other benefits of that later. To get the best results, you need to give the AI a lot of material to work with. Insta360 recommends syncing at least 10 to 30 clips for regular highlights. For the best year-end recap videos, they suggest over 200 clips spanning a long period. The more varied scenes the AI can analyze, the better your moment will be. Once your clips are synced, you just wait. The cloud AI will automatically generate your videos over the next day or two or 3. Okay, let's talk results, because that's what really matters, right? Here is a real example of a moment the AI created for me from my recent footage over the last year. I had zero input on this. The AI chose the clips, the reframing, the transitions, and the music entirely on its own. We'll talk about that music. Let's watch.
The 2025 season comes to an end.
As you can see, it's pretty impressive. It picked out interesting camera movements, focused on the people in the shot, and created a dynamic, shareable little video with zero effort from me. It even pulled clips I had completely forgotten about I'd shot from all around the world. But here's a very important pro tip that you cannot ignore, especially if your channel is monetized. This is a trap that could get you into trouble. The music that the AI automatically adds to these videos is cleared for use on Insta360's own sharing platform. However, it is not guaranteed to be copyright cleared for major platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. If you upload the video as is, you run a serious risk of getting a copyright claim. My professional advice is to always switch out the music before you post to your main social channels. Mute the original clip and use a royalty-free track from a service you trust, like Epidemic Sound, like I use. Check my description for a link to a free month trial, or even the free YouTube audio library. It's a simple extra step that will protect your channel. While the Moments feature is the exciting new headline, the Insta360 Plus cloud service that powers it offers at least 2 other game-changing benefits that solves major creator frustrations. First is auto backup. When you subscribe, you can set your camera to automatically upload new footage to the cloud whenever it's plugged in and on Wi-Fi. You can even have it auto-delete the files from your SD card after the upload is complete. This means you never have to worry about a lost or corrupted SD card again, and your camera is always ready with a fresh, empty card for your next shoot. I personally don't do the auto delete thing. I prefer to do it myself, but that's down to you. Second, and this is huge for digital nomads, is cloud edit and export. Instead of needing to download massive 8K 360 files to your phone just to reframe a single clip, you can now access and edit your footage directly in the cloud. You can start an edit on your phone, on the train, and finish it on your laptop at home with no file transfers. You can even start an export in the app and then close it to use your phone for other things. It untethers your workflow from a single device, saving you time and a massive amount of storage space. And finally, there is seamless 360 sharing. Instead of exporting and uploading a huge 360 file, you can just generate a customizable link from your cloud album. Anyone you send it to can watch your video in full interactive 360 right in their web browser with no app needed. It's the simplest way to share your immersive videos, whether it's a big edit you've been working on for a client or a short shareable clip for your friends. So, is the Insta360 service and the new Moments feature worth it? If you're a casual user who only shoots a few clips here and there, you probably don't need it. But if you're a creator who shoots a lot of footage and suffers from footage paralysis, then yes, it's an absolute game changer. The automatic backup provides peace of mind. The cloud editing streamlines your workflow, and the Moments feature acts as your personal AI assistant, turning your archive of footage from a source of stress into a source of surprise and delight. It encourages you to keep shooting, knowing that the hard work of finding the best parts can now be done for you while you're sleeping. And Insta360 have told me that this feature is only going to evolve more, so I'm looking forward to see what other clips it generates for me. And if you want to get to grips with editing your Insta360 360 footage, here's my starter guide. And there's plenty more updates to come as the apps and tools change throughout 2026 and beyond. So start up here and stay tuned.